Are you someone facing iTunes issues like this, and so many similar issues during iOS update and restore process? Because your iOS device is stuck at Apple logo, or stuck at the recovery mode screen, or boot looping and does not even turn on. And that's where Techjunkie iBoot comes into the picture. Techjunkie iBoot is the best iOS repair tool, trusted and reviewed by all these big companies across the world. Supported to run on mostly any iOS versions, including the latest iOS versions. And to fix all these iOS issues, first connect your iOS device to the computer, and next, do not launch the iTunes tool. Instead, visit this website, link will be in description. On the website, click on this button to download the tool in your computer, which can either be Windows OS or even a Mac OS. For this video, I will be downloading for my Windows computer. And also make sure that you fulfill all these requirements for your computer system. Once the same is downloaded, simply install the tool, like any other tool. And meanwhile it's installing, please do subscribe to my channel. Upon launch, this is the user interface of the iBoot. So be it any iOS system issues, just click on Start Repair option, which you can easily find here on the tool itself. And as you can see, iBoot has listed out issues it can easily fix, although the list is not complete. But yes, you can get an idea about its capabilities. And next, click on Fix Now option. Here, choose the type of repair. Standard repair fixes most common iOS problems without losing your data, which includes all the 150 plus iOS system-related issues. And if standard repair doesn't work, then you move to deep repair, which fixes more complex issues, but with full data loss. On the next page, you will be instructed to download the latest signed iOS firmware, so you must do as instructed. Alternatively, you can download the firmware from here as well, if the primary method does not work somehow. The entire downloadable file will be of large size, which may take some time to get downloaded. Let me simply fast forward the video. And also requesting you again to like and subscribe to my channel. Once the firmware is downloaded successfully, simply click here to start the repairing process. And immediately your iOS device will turn off and boot into recovery screen. Once the process begins, your device will boot into the Apple logo with a loading bar. During this stage, your iOS device may disconnect and reconnect several times. This is completely normal, so don't panic. Just make sure your iOS device stays connected to the computer, and that your computer itself is plugged into a power source. After a few minutes, you should see a success message on the screen. Your device will then automatically reboot, and the system issues you were experiencing should now be resolved. At this point, you can safely disconnect your iOS device from the computer. Now on your iOS device, when you see the welcome screen, simply swipe up, enter your passcode, and begin the recovery process. As you can see, the data recovery has started, and this will restore all your important data, including photos, videos, messages, contacts, call history, app data, and system settings, without any data loss. Once the process is complete, your device will be fully functional and ready to use, just like before, only now, without the issues you are facing. Techjunkie iBoot is completely free to install on both Windows and Mac. You can download it and access basic features like entering or exiting recovery mode with just one click, no payment required. To fix serious iOS system issues like boot loops, Apple logo freezes, update failures, or iTunes errors, you'll need to unlock the full version. Techjunkie offers flexible plans, so you only pay if and when you actually need to repair your device. If your iPhone is stuck and nothing else is working, check out the link in the description to try Techjunkie iBoot and unlock the full repair when needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.